Okay, let's get straight to the point. So it's a common problem on BMWs like X7, X5s that KAFAS camera breaks, and because like something is blocking the view. So the fastest way and cheapest way to fix it is you just buy used KAFAS camera that's working, okay? Very hard to reprogram the used KAFAS to yours because it already has a VIN number in it. And I found a way to fix the issue without programming, without flashing, without anything. And I did it on my BMW and it works. I was trying to figure out for a long time. It almost took me a year. Okay, I told you guys I'm gonna go straight to the point, and I didn't. So first thing, you need to remove these 4 screws, okay? Let me do that with 2 hands. Secondly, remove this cover. This is what it looked like, okay? So these are your 3 cameras that connected. All you need to do, just disconnect them like this, okay? You just disconnect them. So I can do this with 1 hand. So all you need to do is to remove this motherboard, I would call it, or whatever it is, because these 3 cameras are connected to it. Let me do it with 2 hands, 1 second. So this is how you remove it. Nothing is holding it. So you take this one out of your car. So this is not the part you purchased. This is from yours, okay? This is the one that stores a VIN number and all the information about your vehicle, okay? And you gotta do same thing with the part you purchased. You gotta remove this and put this one in there, because this is where you have a problem, okay? You see, this is my old one, so this is where it had problem. And these cameras, if they move a little bit, and I can't even put it back, I tried to glue it and everything, it stays there, but if it's off like a little bit, it's not gonna work. So it's better to just buy used part that look like this, look like this one. You can buy the cheapest one, which again, it doesn't matter which part number, if it matches or not. It's what matters is if it's gonna look like this. That's all you have to care about. And then you just put your motherboard into a new one like this. I already installed mine, so I'm just showing you a used one. You just gotta put this motherboard back. Don't forget to connect these cameras to these 3 points. Screw them back in. Install it on your windshield. Make sure you install it right way. Make sure it clicks on this and this. So on both sides. Okay, make sure you connect your connectors correctly. And also, you're gonna have to calibrate it. Start calibration process, which is, you don't have to use ISTA for that. You can use like Autel, Maxicom, any scanner that can, reset your cameras. Autel, Maxicom does it same way as ISTA does. Then you have to drive it. It will calibrate itself, and you're gonna have your driving assist working again. Okay? Subscribe. You don't have to subscribe, but at least put a like on my video, okay? Thank you.